Welcome to our game number.
Jogging muna.
Start na!
Mamuya na. Uy, si Marvin. Uy, tulos boy. Di ko yun siya. Tulos. Kaya si Bossing. Siyempre to. Yan, tama yan.
Lawrence.
2 points.
Magaling ka mag-announcer.
Four, zero.
Sandro. No good. Sandro. Rebound. Minu. Foul.
Dito ng balik ko.
Sandro for two. Yes. Lawrence for two. Yes. Sandro dribbling. Last touch.
6-2.
Sandro. No good. Line ball. Lawrence sumalaksak. Yes.
Scorer pa ka.
1 point.
Score is 7-2.
Sandro dribbling pass to Anthony the Great. Pass to Lawrence. Yes, 1 point. Lawrence.
8-2.
8-2.
Sandro for two. Yes, 2 points.
4-2.
Martin. Pass to Christian. No good. Mayo. Sandro. Yes.
5.
5-4. 5-5.
Martin. To Lawrence. Lawrence. Yes. Foul. Content. Free throw.
9.
Lawrence free throw. Yes. 1 point.
10-5.
10-5. Favor of
Foul. Anthony.
Good.
Christian for two. Mayo. Lawrence. Foul. Lawrence free throw. Minu. Tomera. Yes. 1 point.
Pasok.
Lawrence for two. Yes.
Bilang niyo naman ang dos. Grabe ni Lawrence.
12-6.
Sandro. 1 point. No good. Foul. Sandro foul. Lawrence Christian. Lawrence for two. Yes. 1 point.
Score is 6-13 in favor of Lorenzo.
Anthony. Sumasalaksak. Pass to Sandro. Tomera. No good.
6 minutes left.
Rebound by Lawrence. Sumalaksak. Foul, Minu. Foul, Anthony. Foul, Anthony. Referee decision. Free throw by Anthony. Free throw. One point, Christian.
Torse.
6:40.
Anthony Tomera nagtos. No good.
Kapos.
5 minutes and 40 seconds left.
14-6.
Lawrence Tomera nagtos. No good. Rebound, Minu.
Ako minu.
Anshuni to Sandra. Mayo. Last good. Minu.
Minu.
1 point. Martin for 2. Yes. Yeah. No good. No good. Dribble. Last touch, Sandro.
Score is 7-16 in favor of Lawrence.
Christian for 2. No good. Rebound ni Sandro. Lumalabas. Tomera. No good. Rebound by Christian. Pass to Lawrence. Tomera nagnos. Yeah, no good. Yes.
Good.
Ang galing ni Martin magpaagaw. Last touch. No good. Anthony Tomera. No good. Mino. No good. Mino. 1 point.
Minu. Alam ko minu.
Lawrence, sumasalaksak. Tomera, foul. Sandro.
Nagdiretang kambing po ang minu.
Lawrence for free throw.
Score is 16-8 in favor of Lawrence. Free throw for Lawrence.
1 point. Lawrence. Sandro, Tomera ng dos. No good. Minu. No good. Sandro rebound. Yes. 1 point. Sandro.
Minu.
Christian. Pass to Martin. Nagpapaagaw. Nakaagaw. Hanap ng papasahan. Pinara kay Lawrence. Tomera. No good. Christian. Tomera. No good. Sandro rebound. Sandro Tomera ng dos. No good. Martin sa rebound. Martin Tomera. 1 point.
So, 3 minutes and 38 seconds.
Mino, umanap ng mga basahan. To Sandro. Sumalaksak! Foul! Free throw. Foul by Christian. Sandro. Rebound, Lawrence. Tumira ng dos. Yes, 2 points. Lawrence. Sandro, tetera, pinasa kay Minu. Minu, umorder ng kadareta. No good. Rebound, Lawrence, Tomera ng dos. No good. Minu, mahanap ng mga kasahan. Pinasa kay Johnny. Tomera. Sandro, Tomera ng dos. No good. Rebound by Martin, pinasa kay Christian. Tomera. No good. Martin. No good. Mino. Calder. Anthony.
2 minutes and 35 seconds left for the first round.
Wait for the decision of the referee. 2 points, Lawrence. Sandro. Umano pasahan. Inasa kay Anthony. Nagpapaagaw. Naagaw nga. Lawrence. Tomera. Yes! 2 points.
2 minutes.
1 point pala. Sandro. Pinasa Anthony. Anthony Tomera. No good. Lawrence.
2
Outside
minutes.
shot. No good. Last touch. No, last touch.
2 minutes left.
Sandro, tumira ng dos. Go. Good. Martin.
Martin,
Sumalaksak. No good. Rebound by Sandro. Sandro to Anthony. Sandro.
Sintas, 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 sintas.
Anthony tumira ng dos.
Sintas.
Sintas.
Ito, matungtungan niya.
1 minute and 30 seconds left.
23-9.
23-9 in favor of Team X.
Time out.
Time out.
By Team, ano to? Team Gravity. Team Gravity versus my team.
Madagong pa lang pero nag-ura na.
Uulan ng dos. Bye.
Okay. Time out. Return. 30 seconds lang yan.
Maybe pa sana.
Madagong lang ang crowd.
Bago mula, bukas.
Back to zero. Lugi. Back to zero.
Back to the ball game.
Ball of my team. Martin tumira ng dos. No good.
1 minute and 25.
Sandro, dumidiskarte. Tumera. Yes. 1 point.
10-23 in favor of Team
Lawrence, tumira ng dos. Rebound, Martin. Minu. Naghanap ng order. Pinasa kay Sandro.
Hinahanap si Bossing. Hindi na
Sandro,
kita.
kinakain yung oras.
Pasok. Salaksak. Nakita si
Tumera ng dos. Rebound by Minu. Minu, tumera. Lawrence, rebound. Lawrence, tumera ng dos.
Wala. Naubos na.
Last touch.
40
Ball of,
seconds left.
ball of my team. Sandro, dumidiskarte. Pass to Minu. Tumera. No good.
25 seconds
Rebound
left.
again by Sandro. Tumera. No good. Off, not counted. Hindi lumabas. Not counted, hindi lumabas.
Yes, 17 seconds left.
Score.
Mula nila, nila Loren. Not counted yun, not counted.
16 seconds left.
Christian for 2, yes, 2
10,
points.
9,
Anthony.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Banse kami.
25-10.
Oh, game na. Warm up pa lang yun. Hindi pa kami nainit, okay? Game na.
Ano, ganito? Okay, okay,
Abot naman sa mo nga na yan.
sige, continue.